Hello everyone. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can auto-assign in YNAB. Keep watching the video till the end to auto-assign on YNAB. Firstly, open your YNAB application. The home page of the YNAB application will appear on the screen. Click on the Account option. On the next page, tap on Add Account. Among two options displayed, click on Unlink option and enter your nickname, your account type, current balance, and tap on Done. Here, click on the Assign Money option. Tap on Auto Assign By and choose one of the options from the pop-up options. And this is how you can auto-assign in YNAB account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.